I am an urban explorer, and it's the abandoned houses and buildings I search for. It's always a challenge, and I could say it's definitely a risk. But in saying that, I always head out thinking, what has the day got for me? I rely on the universe. It always delivers the good, the bad, and the downright scary. Houses always hold secrets, memories of a past, generations of families that occupied these, and now forgotten homes and taken over with decay. Some homes hold a past, and it's a past that would rather be forgotten. So many houses that get demolished have belongings that also go with the home, bad memories that need to be destroyed. And this is what I encounter when I see for myself these belongings. There is sadness in so many places I explore, things that have been left behind and things that go with the home. In this episode, we explore this 1950s home. It belonged to an elderly gentleman who lost his wife, and now the two are reunited again in heavenly peace. The home was sold in early 2023 and was lived in once again. But what did they do with this home? We found evidence of a drug house. The home has now been demolished with its past and its belongings. What's happening, guys? Welcome to another episode of Werner's Adventures. Well, here we are in the city again. We're about to do an urban explore, but have a look at this. How's that for a rose? That is massive. I mean, there's my hands. Look at that. It's so massive. There's a yellow one over there. And some pink ones. So let's have a bit of a look at the garden before we go inside the actual house. So we'll just have a look down here. There's a door there leading to something. Alright, now I'm on a busy main road, so not sure if you'll be able to hear me, but there's the house there. I'm with Heather, so check her channel out. I'll leave a link in my description to Heather's channel. Check her channel out. Oh wow, look at these roses. Wow. How cool are they? Now Heather's already in there and she's telling me that this could be a grow house. So it's got a cool little garden though. Anyway, let's have a look out the back. Oh wow. Actually, let's have a look in the shed. See if there's anything in here. There's nothing in here. Oh, hang on. I've got my light. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. Hang on, I just want to get. Oh wow. It looks like I'm in a forest. There's the lake. How cool's that? Charlie Chaplin. Typical 70s home. Alright, I'll go back outside again. What a cool garden. Wow. That must have been third aviary. Wow. Can't make out what that is. cool door. Entertainment area. The stairs go up to the roof, so we'll go for a walk up there in a minute. What's in here? Open. Oh wow, this is a time capsule in here. There's a cool sconce there. What's that? Is there anything in there? No. Maybe this was a little room. Little angel. Rings and things. Some more scones up there. This, and I'm going to shut this door so we can get a better look at this. Hang on. Right. Mountains, is that Vienna? Amsterdam, Sweden maybe? Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. I wonder if that's the guy that lived here. What's that? Australian opal. Like little birds in the trees. Alright, that was quite cool. Alright, we'll go back outside again. Okay. I might close this. Oh, actually, I'll leave it open just to let some light in. Wow, this is definitely old 70s. There's a cupboard. An old recliner there. Oh wow, look at this old. Now how, wow, look at that. That mantle is so cool. Some more sconces up there. Some doves. There's a cool clock up there. Wow, look at that. That's really cool. What a bummer. They're gonna get rid of that. There's a... Oh wow, have a look at this, guys. I'm just gonna move that so we get a proper look at it. It's a 3D photo of wolves. How cool is that? Wow. Alright. Keep looking. So yeah, I can see why Heather said this was a grow house. Look at that. So there would have been, yeah. Very, very 70s. Well, actually, I'd say this place would be 50s. Look at the roof in here. So that's where the fans would have been. Looks like they've cut a wall bit out there for the exhaust fan. Yeah, definitely a grow house. Beautiful. Look at that. So much wallpaper in here. Alright, let's have a look at the kitchen. Very 60s kitchen. Wow. The old stove. Oh, actually, it's not that old. It's a Westinghouse. There's a can opener on the wall. Brickwork. There's another cool sconce. Look at the wallpaper. Wow. Cool light. So, bathroom. Alright. We have a toilet with a whole heap of toilet paper. I wonder if that's still a supply from COVID when everyone was buying toilet rolls, toilet paper. Laundry. Just a room. Oh. 2 shades of, oh no, that's the same, but that's like a lighter. There might have been actually I wonder what they had up there. Yeah, look, definitely signs of a grow house. There might have been a big water tank maybe up there. More, yeah, look down in there. Oh yeah, look, you can actually see marijuana down there. So yeah, this was a grow house. See how they've covered up the windows. We'll keep looking. Another cool sconce up there. Aqua tank, there we go. Yeah. There's all the chemicals they would have used. What have we got there? Oh, they're chairs. Yeah, they're quite nice chairs actually. Nice cool camping chairs. Boots. More remnants of the plant. That's cool. Okay. Well, I reckon we've seen it all, guys. Oh, we didn't see that light. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's really cool. Alright. Alright, well, this is just a cool lounge. Wow, what a yard. like a forest. Could definitely play hide and seek in here. Now, shall we go in here? Oh, look, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get in there in these spikes. I know. Here we go. Get some light happening. Ugh, there's all spiders in here. Alright, this is as far as we're going to go. There's a lot of spiders. Okay. All these plants. Wow, look at this. I don't know what that is, but look how pretty that is. Look at the colours in that. You'd think I was in Queensland, but I'm not. Yeah, let's keep walking. What have we got in there? I'm walking through all of this. What have we got over here? Oh my god, is that a dinosaur? It is too. Look at that. Wow. It's so cool. This garden is phenomenal. It's spring in the moment, so the birds will be loving this garden. There'll be plenty of places for the birds to nest. All this sort of stuff, they love it. These trees. That's a lemon tree. No lemons, of course. Alright, what do we got through here? Looks like they had a lot of maybe chickens, birds. There's a chicken coop there. There's probably another one over here. What have we got in there? I can't get in there. What have we got in here? Put my light on. There's an old cupboard there. this. Wonder if there's anything in it. Nope. Nothing. There's an old fan there. Maybe the guy that lived here was a carpenter, maybe. Just looking at, I don't know if that's a lathe over there or I'm not sure. What do we got here? Lithuania. What have we got in here? Oh, look at the stained glass on that. Wow. Just take my light away. And same on the other side. Stained. Or LED lighting actually. Wow. It's cool. Alright, well, I wonder what that is. 21, 10, 57. I wonder if that's when this shed was built. Alright, well, I reckon we'll make our way up to the home. Actually, we haven't been down here. What's down here? Okay. This is just absolutely cool. What a cool garden. There's heather. That is a cool plant. There's heather. Hey Heather, have a look at that plant there. How pretty is that? Look.
Which one?
That one just there. Look at it.
Purple one?
No, this one. Look at the nice colours on the...
Well, if you bring it that way, I can see it.
Look at that.
Oh.
So pretty. Look at all the roses over there. Alright guys, well we're going to go into the house. And let Heather explore stuff. Yeah, so you walk up there to get to the shed.
Oh, you have to go through that.
Yeah, and there's a really cool cupboard in there with like LED lighting in it.
Oh, okay. What's down there?
Down there, not much.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
There is a dinosaur down there if you want to go down there. Yeah. Just an absolutely beautiful garden. Whoever lived here before took good care of all of this. Alright, well I reckon we're going to go for a walk into the home. We haven't looked through here. Oh, there we go, there's their grapefruits. Well guys, I reckon we'll see you on the next one, whether that may be. Alright, thanks guys, cheers for watching, peace out.